Watching Cobra Euro 4 here trade, it continues to perform well, and it's making new equity peaks. So it's becoming one of our favorite and top trading systems. Um, the euro seems to be inversely correlated with the stock indexes on some days, and other days it seems to be correlated. The stock market does not go down on days when it probably should, and so today the S&P is up and the euro is up. Now this rally has taken place since the announcement of the Boeing 737 MAX Air being grounded, and stocks have taken a dip and they're bouncing back, but the euro continues to move higher too. So it's a scenario where it ought to, the euro's up, stocks ought to go down and stay down a little bit more, but there's such a strong bid in the stock market, you can't always use, market correlations. But interesting, it's an interesting side note, market correlations. You can't always trade off of those because a lot of times they're not consistent. But Cobra Euro 4, nice trade. One tick of slippage on the entry, trading 2 contracts. And the euro, that's $6.25 per contract. So not bad slippage. It's about to exit here in about 20 seconds. So we'll take a look at this exit. It made a fast rally into this 3 o'clock closing time period. We'll see what it does. 142.50 area. We'll see what it does here in the next 9 seconds as it exits right at 3 o'clock
Order
Eastern time.
filled.
And so we exited there. Let's see, the strategy got at 114.20. We got out at 114.205. So we got out at a price better. We got out better than the actual strategy. So that happens. Everyone's worried about slippage and commission and what the slippage and commission should be, what the hypotheticals are. It's the average. And so on the entry we got in at half a tick or a tick of slippage, and on the exit we got out half a tick better. So 762.50. This is the hypothetical results, and that's without slippage and commission. And 762.50 is what we actually got in real trading, and so you can see that sold it at 142.05 is actual fill. So if you're trading on a sim account, it'll just show that right there at 142 even. But this is a live trade, 142.05, 1 tick better on the exit and 1 tick worse on the entry. So in par with the strategy. That's Cobra Euro 4. Let's take a look at the historical performance summary. So you see the historical performance report on at EC, and it's at equity peaks. If you zoom in a little bit more, you see the equity peaks were made the other day, and it's pulled back and it's working its way back up. So this is quickly becoming one of our top strategies. We released this last month. What is it at monthly? Up 26.25. So the euro is one of our favorite strategies to trade, and this strategy is one to consider if you want to trade the euro currency futures. This is 2 contracts, keep in mind. So if you're just trading 1 contract, the numbers will be half of this. So half of that drawdown and half of that total net profit. Going back to mid 2016, so about 3 years, pretty good results. If you think about trading 2 contracts on the euro last 3 years, pretty hard to beat those results. We prefer long track records, but this is based on Cobra Euro 2, which has a long track record. We've had to modify it to trade more frequently, and these are the results we get.